Good morning, all of you. So let us start basic concept of 6 regarding to class 10 chemistry, that is molecular mass. In last sessions I have given clear picture. So what is meant by elements, symbols and Latin names of the elements, ions, making chemical formula, electronic configuration, these all. So in this session let us discuss how to calculate molecular mass, of molecules. What reading, my dears? Molecular mass. What is meant by molecular mass? Molecular mass means the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. This is the definition for molecular mass. Molecular mass means sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. So that means we need to add atomic masses of individual atoms present in the given molecule. It is called molecular mass. If you want to calculate molecular mass, we have to know molecular formula and atomic masses as well. I said how to frame the molecular formula in last session. So please go through that video, then you will get how to frame the molecular formula. Now let us have a talk how to calculate molecular mass of the given molecules. Get ready, students? Right. So to calculate molecular mass, we require atomic mass. So what is meant by atomic mass? I said already. So symbol of element can be represented with capital X. So this is the symbolic representation of element. Z with capital Z is a representation of atomic number. Capital A is a symbolic representation of atomic mass number. Capital X is a symbolic representation of element. Z will be atomic number. A will be mass number, atomic mass number. And what is meant by Z? I said what is meant by Z? That means atomic number. It tells us number of electrons or protons present in an atom. So Z tells us Z equals number of electrons or protons present in an atom. Then what is meant by atomic mass? Atomic mass A equal sum of the protons and neutrons present in an atom. Atomic mass number means number of protons, sum of the protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. Atomic number means number of electrons or protons present in an atom. Right. Atomic mass also measured by using units AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. So 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 of C12 carbon. 1/12 mass of C12 carbon. So atomic mass also expressed in grams. Okay. So these are few words about atomic mass. Atomic mass number means sum of the protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. Now I am going to give 1 to 20 elements atomic masses. Please make a note of it. Atomic masses. 1 to 20 elements atomic masses. First one is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Next, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon and phosphorus. Next, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. So these are the 1 to 20 elements. So atomic numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sulfur 16, chlorine 17, argon 18, potassium 19, calcium 20. So please learn 1 to 30 elements atomic numbers. Right. Now I am going to write atomic mass numbers. Hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number also 1. Helium 2, 4, lithium 3, 7, beryllium 9 atomic mass, boron 11, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, fluorine 19, neon 20, sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminum 27, silicon 28, phosphorus 31, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5. This is the average atomic mass of chlorine. Next, argon 40, potassium 39, calcium 40. Please remember 1 to 20 elements, atomic numbers and atomic masses. Now I am going to give one simple keyword how to remember atomic masses of 1 to 20 elements. Right? So in case of hydrogen atomic number 1, mass also 1. It's a unit. Next one. Chlorine 1735.5. You have to remember in specially. And argon also you have to remember. But then what about remaining? In case of some elements atomic masses, you will get by doubling the atomic number. So I am going to enclose them with square box. Listen to me. For example, helium atomic number 2, mass 4. That means so 2 into 2 4, double. Next one. Carbon atomic number 6, mass 12. Nitrogen 7 14. Oxygen 8 16. Neon 10 20. Magnesium 12 24. Silicon 14 28. Sulfur 16 32. Next, calcium 20 40. So for these one, no need to remember atomic mass, because of if you know the atomic number, then you will understand what is atomic mass of these elements. Because of these all the elements what I enclosed in square box, you will get atomic mass by doubling them with their atomic numbers. Helium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, neon, magnesium, silicon, next one, sulfur and calcium like that. Next one. In case of some elements, you will get atomic mass by doubling atomic number and adding 1. Example, lithium 3 7. Lithium, I am underlining that. Lithium. Beryllium 4 9. Boron 5 11. Sodium 11 23. Aluminum 13 27. Phosphorus 15 31. Potassium 19 30. For these elements you will get atomic mass by doubling atomic number and adding 1. Lithium, beryllium, boron, fluorine. Next one, sodium, aluminum, phosphorus and potassium. Is it clear? Right. So in case of some elements atomic masses, we need to remember specifically, and in case of few elements, no need to remember atomic mass, because of so you will get atomic mass by doubling the atomic number. And in some cases of elements, so we need to double the atomic number and add 1. So in this way you need to remember so atomic mass of 1 to 20 elements, right? Now I am going to give one keyword to remember, one clue. So please make use of that. Right. Next one. This is a key clue. Please remember that. Beverly Kalpana is my friend. Is my friend. Right. With the help of this keyword, we have to remember atomic mass of few elements very easily. Beryllium 4, 9, 5, 11, 3, 7, 1939, 13, 27, 15, 31, 11, 23, and 9, 19. So far, if you remember this keyword, then it's a very easy to understand what are the atomic masses of these elements. So Beverly Kalpana is my friend. Please remember in this way. Is it clear to you, my dears? Okay, right. Now I would like to give atomic masses of 21 to 30 very important elements. So no need to remember all the atomic masses from 21 to 30. So apart from 1 to 20 elements, we need to remember specified or repeated elements atomic mass like iron, copper, zinc, like that. Right? Iron, atomic number 26, mass 56. Copper 29, 63.5. Zinc 30, 65.3. So these are the some element, repeated elements. You will get very important elements from 21 to 30. So iron, copper and zinc. Is it clear? So now let us calculate the molecular mass of some elements. Get ready. So let me take very simple example. Water. Water is a universal liquid, life-giving liquid. You must have known that. So chemical form of water, H2O. Right. So now find out how many atoms of different elements are present in water. So 2 hydrogen atoms are present in water molecule and 1 oxygen atom. So these numbers must be multiplied with their atomic masses. Atomic number of hydrogen 1, mass number 1. Oxygen 8, 16. So multiply with this 2, 1, 2, 16, 16 you will get 18. 18 is a molecular mass of water. 18 is a molecular mass of water. So in this way we need to calculate molecular mass. Next example. Next example. Nitric acid. Nitric acid. Nitric acid. So nitric acid also called aqua fortis, strong water, and nitric acid will be considered as queen of chemicals. Remember this one. Nitric acid, aqua fortis, queen of chemicals, strong water. The chemical form of nitric acid, HNO3. HNO3. So in this one hydrogen atom, 1 nitrogen atom, 3 oxygen atoms are building. 1, 1, 3. So these numbers must be multiplied with their atomic masses. Hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number 1. So nitrogen 7, 14, oxygen 8, 16. So let us multiply. So hydrogen 1, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16. 1, 14, 42, 30. So molecular mass of nitric acid is 63. Is it clear? Right. Now let us take one more example, that is baking soda. Baking soda. So get ready, my dears. Baking soda. Please follow and copy each and every compound what I am writing on the board. These are very important examples. Next one, baking soda. Baking soda for NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate. The common name is baking soda. Baking soda, very important. Baking soda. baking soda. So let us list out atoms of different elements present in baking soda. Sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. These are the elements present in one molecule of baking soda. So sodium 1, hydrogen 1, carbon 1, oxygen 3. So we need to multiply these numbers with their atomic masses. Sodium atomic number 11, mass 23. Hydrogen 1, right. Carbon 12, right, very good. 12. Oxygen 16, very good. 16. So right. 23. 1, 12, 48. So 84 is the molecular mass of baking soda. Is it clear to you, my dears? Right, very good. Now let us take one more example. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid also called oil of vitriol. It is considered as king of chemicals. So sulfuric acid chemical formula H2SO4. Let us list out number of atoms of different elements present in this one. 3 kind of elements are present: hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. How many hydrogens? 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. These must be multiplied with their atomic masses. Hydrogen atomic mass 1, sulfur 32, oxygen 16. Right. 2, 32, 64. So mass will be 98. 98 is a molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Next, one more example let us take. Next one. Calcium carbonate. Please make a note of it. Calcium carbonate, also called chalk, marble, limestone, and eggshell also consists of calcium carbonate. Please remember that. So marble, chalk, eggshell, limestone. These all the chemicals consist of calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate, the formula will be CaCO3, calcium carbonate. So let us list out how many atoms of different elements are present in calcium carbonate. Ca, calcium, carbon and oxygen. How many calcium atoms? 1, very good. 1 carbon, 1 S. How many oxygen atoms are here? 3. So these number of atoms of different elements must be multiplied by their atomic masses. So calcium atomic number 20, mass 40, right? Carbon atomic number 6, mass 12. Oxygen atomic number 8, mass 16. Right. 40, 12, 48, 100. So the molecular mass of calcium carbonate is 100. So in this way we need to calculate molecular mass of any compound. So please remember, if you want to calculate molecular mass of any compound, we have to know formula. If you want to know the formula, you have to know ions. Ions crisscrossing making formula. I have done one video based on how to write or how to write the chemical formula by using ions and what is meant by ion, dissolve. Please go through that videos, then you will get clear picture how to write chemical formula. Right. Next one, please remember atomic mass of 1 to 20 elements. Apart from that, important atoms, atomic masses. That means elements like iron, copper, zinc, like that. Okay. Right. So this is a molecular mass of calcium carbonate. Now I would like to give one question. So please comment that answer in comment box. Please let me know the answer in the form of comment. So write down the question. The molecular mass of X is 56. The molecular mass of X is 56. Then X could be. So what is X? Or find out X in the given compounds. Or find out, or what is X? What is X? What is X? Or pick out X from the given compounds. A. Fit line. B. Caustic soda. C. Caustic potash. D. Magnesium sulfide. Magnesium sulfide. So please try yourself. So the molecular mass of compound X is 56. Then X could be from this one, or pick out X from this one, or which one of the following is will be the X. So fit line, caustic soda, caustic potash, and magnesium sulfide. So please comment the answer in the comment box and let me know the answers. Thank you, my dears. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.